This is a 2014 Toyota Highlander, four-wheel drive. I got a problem. Let me show you. I got the engine light turned on. And then it said check all-wheel drive system. So what's going on? How do I fix the problems? Okay, the first thing to check is the gas cap. So to make sure it's tightened, and click on it. Oh, it's not even tight. See that? If it's tight, it won't click. It won't even tight. So maybe that's the major problem that caused that. So let's find out. Is the code still there? Okay, the engine light's still on, of course. So to find out what the problem is, you need to pull the code from the computer. See, check all-wheel drive system. So I need to pull the code. I got one of the cheap scanner, maybe $30 from Amazon. So I'm gonna plug it in right there. Okay, plug in. See what you read. Okay, there's one. P0014. Okay, so I'm looking up P0014. So P0014 is a trouble code indicating there's an issue with the camshaft timing. I'm not sure that is a coincidence or related to the gas cap not closing properly, but what I'm trying to do is trying to clear the code and let the car run for a while and find out if the engine light come back or the code come back. If nothing happened, then I believe that P0014 is related to the gas cap not closing properly. Let's try to clear code now. Okay, the code is clear. Okay, let's start the car. So right now now trip A is 4101.8 miles. Let's see how many miles on the car right now. 126,000 miles, around 126,526 miles. So let's the car run for a while to check to see if the engine light turned back on or not. If not, then that's the only cause of the P0014 because the gas cap not closed properly. Alright, let's see. After driven a while, now the car has 128,322 miles, almost have driven 2,000 miles. No engine light, nothing. So the problem is solved. And next time, if your car has the same problem I have, engine light and check your all-wheel drive system. Don't freak out yet. Do the same thing I did, and hope that solved the problem. And also the code P0014. Not sure it's related to the gas cap problems, but anyway, the engine light did not come back after 2,000 miles driving. So I hope that's the problem that is solved. Alright, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button.